This literature kit on Hoot by Carl Hyacin holds students accountable for thinking before they read with vocabulary and prior knowledge questions. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students give their own strategies when dealing with bullies. Put events from the story in the order that they happened when Beatrice and Roy take Mullet Fingers to the emergency ward. Students describe their impression of Beatrice's stepmother. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating similes, drawing on the author's use in the novel as examples. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. List the main events of the story in the order that they happened in a sequence chart. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.